Disclaimer. This video is not intended to show you a route to take to transport drugs. Sorry, crackheads. In this video, I take I-90 from Buffalo to Rochester. I-90 is also called the New York State Thruway, and it is a toll road. Better have some spare change in your car when you take this route because the toll road is stuck in the 1980s and only accepts cash as a payment. If you don't have any cash, then you'll be stuck at a toll booth for 15 minutes as they try to figure out how technology works. Nonetheless, I show you the footage that I capture along the drive. We do start the video right outside of Buffalo. We are still in Erie County, however. Erie County is home to 918,000 people. It's the most populated county in New York outside of the New York City metro area. Erie County consists of Buffalo and mostly all of its suburbs. It's also very expansive, as I found out while editing this video. You don't usually see counties this big in states east of the Mississippi River. However, it seems like many of the counties in New York are pretty big. Anyway, enough of that nonsense. As Erie County has an average household income of $55,000 a year, the population peaked at 1.1 million people in 1970. Man, you ever wonder why so many accidents are caused by people riding the left lane? Just observe the remainder of this video from this point on. I even end up hogging the left lane myself at times because drivers were cutting in front of me only to slow down right after. I don't know about you, but on longer drives on the highway, I like to set my cruise control and keep my distance from others as much as possible. Every once in a while, you'll run into a congested road like this at a high traffic time, and those conditions alone make setting the cruise control harder to do. On this day, there were quite a few hill jacks out on the road that would tail me when I was in cruise control while trying to pass a semi, and then they would get in front of me only to slow down 5 miles per hour below the speed limit. If you're a driver that likes to drive like that, there's a special place in hell for you. Like this video if you agree and subscribe if you're new. Okay, rant over. Carry on. We are now in Genesee County, which is home to 57,000 residents. It's the only county between Erie County, home to Buffalo, and Monroe County, home to Rochester. The county seat of Genesee County is Batavia. The average household income here is $59,000 per year.
Traded in to taste a lie, and it's too easy to say goodbye. And I've walked so far, I've walked so far. Don't know how to turn back, can I ever turn back? Even if I run from you, even if I wanted to, there's nothing more for me to share. I never thought I would be here. I know what I have to do, set up shop till I hear from you. But I walked so far, I've walked so far. Don't know how to turn back, can I ever turn back? If I run from you, even if I wanted to, I could never outrun your love, outrun your love. If I try to hide, if it's only in my mind, I could never outrun your love, outrun your love. Traded in to taste the lie, and it's too easy to say goodbye. Write it down, can't think it out. Too many fears, too many doubts. Traded in to taste the lie, and it's too easy to say goodbye. Even if I run from just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I 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 just feel so good. I see the world through my thrift store shades, rose-colored lenses and a fake gold frame. Come on. Playing old rock songs on an air guitar, posing for your picture like a superstar. Yeah, come on. And if you're wondering why I move the way I do, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, 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 I just feel so good. If you feel it, just dance along. Keep the feeling going on and on. If you feel it, just dance along, dance along, dance along. Yeah. Yeah, if you feel it, just dance along. Got to keep the feeling going on and on. Yeah, if you feel it, just dance along, dance along. Oh, it just feels so good. I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I just feel so good, good.
If you didn't catch my advice at the beginning of the video, make sure that you have cash with you when driving anywhere along the New York State Thruway. It is February 2020 when I recorded this video, and the toll booth workers didn't know what a credit card was. If you don't have cash, they write down your license plate number, take a surveillance photo, and then send you an invoice through the mail that doesn't arrive until a month later, and then you can call a number to pay your $2 fine. Come on, New York. No wonder people keep leaving your state. Get with the times.
I'm waiting at the door. I'm not sleeping in my bed at night. I'm not waiting anymore. I'm not taking anybody's Was there something on my mind? Was there something on my hero?
We are now in Monroe County, and Rochester is the county seat. 741,000 people live here with an average household income of $57,000 a year. The county has seen consistent population growth throughout its existence until this last decade.
I walk around kicking trash up off the ground. I said, I want my seat on an airline. Way down below, have no business where I go. And I said, I want my seat on an airline.
And this is where I end the video. If you enjoy my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. I know that I ranted a little about dumb drivers and toll booths not accepting anything but cash, but I know that you've done the same thing. So if you agree, make sure you punch that subscribe button, destroy the like button for the video, and check out my channel for more videos. We'll see you next time. Peace.